Hey everybody, Max Scoville here for IGN Access. I am at CES 2019, and behind me is one of the most impressive things of the entire show. This is the LG Signature OLED TVR, which is the world's first rollable TV. That's right, it's a TV that folds up and disappears when it's turned off. This is very impressive. It has a soundbar built in. It is 65 inches. It is 4K. Now this is really funny to me because obviously one of the big things that's being pitched this year is 8K, which is everywhere. There's not really much you can watch on it, but really 4K should be just fine, and rollable 4K should be pretty cool too. Because really, when you turn your TV off, it's just kind of a big, awful monolith in your living room. And maybe you're a supervillain and you want to announce your plans dramatically and have something rise out of the ground. Well, now you can. And if you're on a budget, you could probably just get one of those crappy projectors from like the computer graphics classroom. That's an option too. There's no price point on this thing quite yet, but it will be out in the second half of 2019. And chances are it's not going to be affordable for most people. But it's still very cool, and it's nice to see this technology actually hitting market. I'm excited for a nice beach TV. You can just roll it up, throw it over your shoulder, and go play Super Smash at the beach. Anyway, we've got lots more coverage coming out of CES right here on IGN, so don't go anywhere. We're gonna, I don't know, roll out or something. I should have thought this ahead.